The dream of human flight has captivated imaginations for centuries, from the mythical Icarus to Leonardo da Vinci's intricate sketches. The desire to conquer the skies has driven innovation and pushed the boundaries of human potential. While the concept of flight has been a long standing aspiration, the true genesis of the modern airplane can be traced back to a few pivotal moments in history.
The foundations of flight were laid by brilliant minds who meticulously studied the principles of aerodynamics. Sir George Cayley, often referred to as the father of aeronautics, made significant contributions in the late 18th and early 19th centuries. His meticulous research on lift, drag, and thrust provided a crucial framework for future aircraft design.
Building upon Cayley's work, inventors and engineers began experimenting with various designs, including gliders and powered aircraft. Otto Lilienthal, a German aviation pioneer, conducted extensive glider flights in the late 19th century, gathering invaluable data on aerodynamics and control. The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, are credited with achieving the first successful powered, sustained, and controlled heavier-than-air flight in 1903. Their meticulous experimentation, innovative wing design, and development of flight controls marked a turning point in aviation history.
The interwar period witnessed a surge in aviation development driven by both military and civilian applications. Advancements in engine technology, materials science, and aerodynamics led to the emergence of larger, faster, and more reliable aircraft. The iconic Spirit of St. Louis, flown by Charles Lindbergh in his solo transatlantic flight in 1927, captured the public's imagination and further fueled the growth of commercial aviation. The development of jet engines in the mid-20th century revolutionized air travel. Jet-powered aircraft offered significantly faster speeds and greater range, making long-distance air travel more accessible and efficient. The U.S. Air Force used the jet engine in its training exercises, but the success of jet engines came a little too quickly. The latter half of the 20th century saw the rise of supersonic flight, with aircraft like the Concorde capable of breaking the sound barrier. Continued advancements in materials, electronics, and computer technology have led to the development of increasingly sophisticated and fuel-illicit aircraft.
Today, airplanes play a vital role in connecting people and goods across the globe. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more remarkable advancements in aviation. From electric and hybrid propulsion systems to autonomous flight, the future of air travel promises to be even more efficient, sustainable, and accessible. The history of airplanes is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. From the early pioneers to the cutting-edge technologies of today, the story of flight is an ongoing narrative of innovation and exploration.